In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use Discord voice chat on your PS5. Now, as you can see, I have my PS5 there ready to go, and also I have my phone. Now, before you can use voice chat, or rather Discord voice chat on your PS5, you need to link your PS5 or PSN account to your Discord account. Now, there are two ways you can do this. One is from the PS5 itself. If you had made any other previous connections, then you need to disconnect and then go to your PS5, go to settings. On the settings page, go to users and accounts. And then under that, scroll down to linked services and then find Discord. Okay. Now, if you had previously used authorized apps section to link Discord to your PS5, then you need to disconnect that and then come here to linked services and select Discord. That opens the link with Discord page. Select link account, accept and continue. And that's going to present to you this page. Now you can use your phone to scan this QR code and it's gonna take you to a Discord page where you can now log in and authorize this PS5 to access or to link to your PSN account, or with Discord, to link to your Discord account. Now that's one way to do it. Now I'll just go back all the way to the PS5 home screen and show you the second method. The second method, which is the one I like, is using Discord on your phone. So go ahead and make sure you have Discord on your phone and make sure Discord is logged into your account. Okay, so here is my Discord account on my phone. And so what you need to do here is, let me just put it in light mode so it's easy for you to see. So here's Discord on my phone. So what you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. That's what the profile page looks like on Discord. So what you need to do now is go to connections and tap on that. So tap on connections and then tap on add in the top right corner. Okay, so just tap on the add button and from the options that appear, select PlayStation Network. Okay, so once you tap on that, tap on get started and then it's going to tell you let's first sign in with PSN, which is your PlayStation account. Tap on continue and it's going to load for you a page where you're now going to sign in with your PlayStation network credentials. Once you're signed in, you're going to see this page. Now mine has just skipped because I'd signed in before, but you're going to have to sign in and then you'll see this page. So once you see this page, tap on authorize and continue. And that's it. So we now have my PlayStation account linked to my Discord account. Now, even if you did it the other way, they're still going to be linked. Now that's the first step. Now that you have Discord and your PlayStation account linked, to get into a voice chat on Discord, you need to initiate the voice chat on your phone. So you have to join a voice chat or initiate a voice chat using your phone, or you can use a computer if you prefer to use a computer. You can't initiate a Discord voice chat from the PS5. Okay, so you either start it on a PC or on your phone and then send it to the PS5. So let me give you an example. So this is one of the channels that I joined. So this is a voice channel. So the first thing I need to do is join that voice channel. Okay, so I'll join. And now that I'm joined, all I need to do now is tap on this. So in the voice chat, swipe up, just tap on that and then swipe this thing up. Just overdid it. And then you should see the option to transfer to PlayStation. So tap on that. Then it's gonna give you your PS5. If you have several PS5s logged into the same PSN account, they're going to be listed here. But since I only have one, I'll see one and then tap on join call on PlayStation. Okay. So it's currently transferring to PS5, as you can see. And now it's been transferred to my PS5 and you can now see in the top right corner that I've joined a Discord voice chat. Now, when you press the PS button on your controller, you can actually see the Discord voice chat right there. So if you tap on that, you can actually see all the options to adjust volume on the headset. You can mute from here. And then you have this little menu. You can go into voice chat settings and do everything you need to do. And then you can leave at will, okay? And that's basically how to use or how to get Discord voice chat on your PS5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.